Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello at You World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you browser privacy, website privacy, preference, share my data enable in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox here and the three bar icon where I can click and go to the settings option. So here the privacy and security we will click as because we want to work with the privacy as well as the security. So we will go what the browser privacy settings. So in below side the setting option has been here website privacy preference. So here the first one I will mark, so share my data. So it means the tell websites not to sell or share my data. So if I click this, see, in this way we can mark this. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.